After living in a Cash 2 property just after coming out of prison, my Cash 2 officer put me in touch with the personal wellbeing support. There was various group sessions, everything from first aid, confidence building, interviews for people getting ready to go for jobs, just general sort of well-being, checking in, making sure everyone's all right. And obviously from there, that's where I sort of become part of the Justice Exchange. And yeah, it's just blossomed from there really. It's given me a lot more confidence, and it's also made me realise that there are people there who do genuinely want to make a difference and care like I know I do. I'm proud to be part of Nacro because of the members of staff. Everyone who works for Nacro, they're just brilliant. I personally find Nacro is just so open-minded, just there to sort of achieve a common goal, I guess. I think without Nacro, I would struggle to get my voice heard. I just think it's important that people like me who have been through the justice system have a platform to be heard.
Can you describe Nacro in one word?
Important.